Credit Repair Lawyers of America, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Credit Repair Lawyers of America, CRLA, isn't a traditional credit repair company. They're a law firm specializing in credit report errors and violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. Their core feature is leveraging legal expertise to challenge inaccurate, obsolete, or unverifiable information on your credit reports. This sets them apart because they can escalate disputes to litigation if necessary, something traditional credit repair services can't do. CRLA primarily targets individuals with complex credit situations, particularly those involving identity theft, inaccurate public records, or persistent creditor noncompliance. If you've already tried standard credit repair and haven't seen results, or if you believe your credit issues stem from legal violations, CRLA might be a suitable option. One of their main strengths is the legal authority they wield. Creditors and credit bureaus often take legal threats more seriously than standard dispute letters. They also offer comprehensive credit analysis and personalized legal strategies, which can be beneficial if you're overwhelmed by the process. Additionally, their services may include cease and desist letters to stop harassing debt collectors, which a normal repair company can't legally perform. However, CRLA has potential downsides. Their services are generally more expensive than those of traditional credit repair companies. Legal representation comes at a premium, so factor that into your decision. The cost could outweigh the benefits if you only have a few minor errors on your reports. Another potential weakness is the time commitment. Legal processes can be lengthy, and credit repair through litigation isn't a quick fix. Be prepared for a potentially extended timeline. Furthermore, CRLA can't magically remove legitimate negative information. They focus on inaccuracies and violations, not on simply erasing valid debts. Before hiring CRLA, obtain a free credit report from annualcreditreport.com and carefully review it. Identify specific errors or potential legal violations. Then, schedule a consultation with CRLA to discuss your situation and receive a personalized assessment. This will help you determine if their services are the right fit for your needs and budget. In conclusion, Credit Repair Lawyers of America offers a powerful tool for addressing complex credit issues through legal means. Their expertise can be invaluable if you face persistent inaccuracies, identity theft, or creditor harassment. However, their higher cost and potentially longer timelines make them a better fit for individuals with substantial and legally driven credit repair needs. Carefully weigh the pros and cons based on your specific circumstances before making a decision.